Hey everyone and welcome back. Want to reply to customers faster without typing the same thing every time? Let me show you how to create macros in Zendesk. First, go to Admin Center. Under Objects and Rules, click Macros. Click Add Macro and give it a clear name like Password Reset. Write your reply in the editor, add step-by-step instructions, and use placeholders like customer name for personalization. Here's the power. Macros can also update ticket fields, set priority, add tags, or assign to a group automatically. Once saved, macros appear in the ticket editor. Just click the macro icon and your reply fills in instantly. And that's it. With macros, you turn repetitive replies into one-click responses that save time and keep your answers consistent. If you use macros in Zendesk, let me know your most used one in the comments. See you in the next one.